So it's a 2006 Colorado?
Yeah.
And it's a little different than stock, right?
Yeah, just heritage.
So what's the setup on it?
It's a Duramax 06 LBC Duramax motor. It's a built block, stock head, stock intake, and a Chinese intercooler. We haven't done that upgrade yet. We've been doing little by little.
Setup on it?
I have a precision turbo, a Promo 91 with a turbo smart blow valves and wastegates.
Nice. No, that's badass. That's a sick turbo.
It is.
Really does the job.
How
much boost do you run? Do you run with that?
I run around 80 to 82 pounds of boost.
Nice. That's a healthy amount of boost.
Yeah.
So what's this thing putting down power-wise?
It's putting close to 1,000 horsepower. Probably like 1,200, 1,250 with nitrous.
Jeez. How much torque do you think this thing's putting down?
It's probably making around 1,800 foot-pounds of torque.
1,800 foot-pounds. Good Lord. That's insane, man.
Let's warm up the car a little bit.
Made so much torque, you can just feel it just ripping the tires.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Dude, it's blowing the tires away, but right there it caught for a second and you feel it just pulling like a fucking freight train, bro. Oh my god.
Torque that I have.
Insane.
I got for this transmission, Turbo 400.
So there's T400? Nice.
Turbo 400 with a lockup. With a Sunco put it together for me. Sunco Performance.
Okay. And it's just fully built, balls to the wall?
Fully built, special converter done for me with a lockup and everything. So I can put that power down.
Nice. And so this is it on? Is there any suspension work done or what?
It's back half, regular 9-inch. On the front, I have a stock suspension from the Colorado with a Corvette brakes.
Okay.
For the 5 lumps and the brakes.
That's badass, man. Just from the front end, this car is really unsuspecting. You know, like it's a sleeper from the front end.
Stock, completely stock.
It's not all cut up like some of those you see out there. And
have all the hood opens up, lights, everything works on it.
That's awesome, man. But the back end is business.
The back end is business. we don't have a choice.
What's the fastest you've ever been in the quarter or the 8 mile? Have you run it the track before?
Yeah, I've been on the track. I've been doing it for the first time. It went at 570 at 130. A lot more to go. It's just it took me a little time to put everything, the whole combo together.
What was the 60 foot on that?
It was a 145. I done a 122 before, so I gotta get it back to the 60 foot.
What does this thing weigh?
It has to weigh 4,500 pounds. pounds of lead on the chassis so I can meet the requirements for the racing that I do.
So you guys built the car yourself at the shop, or?
Yeah, I own a shop. It's called the Diesel Shop. What I do is build anything that has to do with diesel. It could be performance, suspension, lift kit, whatever has to do with a diesel truck. That's what we do there.
Nice, badass.
Innovate. We always innovate.
Badass, man. You guys did a hell of a job with this thing.
Thank you very much.